Alright, welcome to the channel, Lonestar Lows. If you're here, you either Google searched a how-to, you either met me at a car show when I'm passing out flyer, or you possibly follow me on Instagram with the same handle, Lonestar Lows. What you'll find here on this channel is we build or restore classic cars, lowriders, mainly Impalas, but other cars as well. We do this in a shop at home, at my house, behind my house. This is not a business. However, in the recent years, I've had people reach out to me from all over the country thanking me and my group of friends for inspiring them to get out and work on their own car. So I guess you can say it's turned into kind of a do-it-yourself movement. What I focus on are ways to save money by doing things yourself, whether it be bodywork, hydraulics, paint, primer, minor engine repair, frame assemblies, moonroof installs, glass installs, how-to on wiring, basically all aspects of building a car yourself at home to save money. Hope you enjoy the channel. I wish you'd stay. I would like for you to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button like everybody says so that we can keep this channel growing. It's been about 5 or 6 years since I started the channel, and I have a lot of playlists. You can go and check out all the stuff we've done on the playlists. In addition to working on cars, we also have what we call Shop Talk, where we sit and talk about the current events in lowriding or some trade secrets and stuff like that. But really, my main focus is to provide as much free information to the people watching so that they can avoid paying high prices to have their car built. Anyways, I hope you like the channel, and thanks for tuning in.